Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the original type in USB memory settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu, here select function settings and go to the store access files. Here we need to click on the common settings, CANON store settings, and then USB memory settings and change default settings for USB memory. Here, as you guys can see, we have the original type, and here we can change it, for example, to text, photo, or text and photo at the same time. So as you guys can see, we can change it to text, and then we need to click apply right here to actually save the setting. So now after we go back, it won't be photo and text, it will be just text, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.